So the discussion will we're just trying to continue here. Discussion we're trying to continue from here, and so let us take some other type of questions. So one question is given to us is find the value. We have to find the value of. We were given x is greater than 3. Find the value of 1 by x for the given value of, okay. So 1 by x we need to find. X is greater than 3. 1 by x will do, sign will be changed or not. I don't think the sign will be changed here. It will be same. Okay. X is greater than 3 and obviously you can say less than infinity. So whenever it implies that x is greater than 3, but it implies that x is greater than 3. So since x is, it implies that x is greater than 3 but less than infinity. Now this is not given here. Less than infinity is not given here. But we can have more than infinity value, and it will be less than infinity. It is very, very obvious. So if we do 1 by x, so 1 by 3 sign will be same, inequality will also be same, and this 1 by infinity is less than 0 is coming up. So sign of inequality will change whenever we are going for reciprocal part. Okay. So 1 by 3, because x is greater than 3, we can't say that x is equal to infinity. It can be greater than 3 and less than infinity, obviously. So this is important. This is the concept of this particular part. Now whenever we are doing the reciprocal of inequality, the sign inequality changes it. It will be 1 by x, and 1 by infinity is 0. So we can say this is the answer for this. So 1 by x is greater than 0 but less than 1 by 3 is the answer. Let us solve some other questions. We have less than -2. So now -2 case is there with us, means one negative part. So we have understood that whenever a negative part is there, sign is different in both sides of inequality. In that case, what will happen? That is, sign, if it is different, inequality after reciprocal, the sign will be again the same. There will be no change. Okay, there will be no change. it implies that 1 by x (1 by minus 2) x is less than minus 2, so it is negative, obviously a negative number. So 1 by x, if you're doing, and this we're doing, okay. So we have to just define the additional limits here every time. So this is given to us. It means that x is less than but greater than infinity, we can say, no? Greater than negative infinity, we can say. Okay. So this is the concept. X is less than minus 2, but obviously it will be greater than negative infinity. We can't have more than that value, and that is why if I reciprocal it, is 1 by negative infinity, sign will be because sign is same, it will be changed here, right? It will be changed here. Sign will change here because the sign is same in both the sides. Both values of inequality the same sign, then while taking responsible, the sign of inequality alters. So altering will be done here. Okay. So this will be written as 1 by 2, or 1 by infinity. Negative infinity is obviously 0. So 1 by x is less than this, and again greater than negative half. Or I can say that further, it is greater than this and less than 0. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. So this is a conceptually good question. Now let us try a very different type of question. I know the process is very lengthy here, but okay. We have just started the things. A lot of lengthy work is there. Okay. X belongs to minus 1, 3, minus 0. Belongs to minus 1, 3. Belongs to minus 1, 3. 0 is not there. So what do you want? What is the value of 1 by x? Okay. So they need here find 1 by x. And the question is a bit very different. X belongs to minus 1 comma 3 and belongs to minus 1 comma 3. In the number line, if I just assume 3 is there, in open bracket 3 and minus 1 is there, but 0 is not there. Okay. So minus 1 is there, and from 0 is not there. So we have the values of x as minus 1. We can say open bracket and close bracket to that. We can also, yeah, minus 1, 0. So x belongs to minus 1, 0, and it should be, it is minus, it is written, it is not there. Open bracket we are writing, union 0, 3. Okay, actually I was thinking of having a closed bracket. X belongs to minus 1, 0, union 0, 3. Okay, that we can say. Now for x belongs to -1 0, we get, so -1 0, 1 by x. So we can say it is -1, it is greater than this and less than 0. Okay, this we can conclude from here, and let us solve it now. So it implies that 1 by part, when we are doing, it is 1 by x, it is 1 by 0. Sign will be as it is, because so negative is there, right? So this is not correct. Okay, difficult to understand from here. So we have here x belongs to -1 0. -1 0, less than 0 will be negative, I understand. X belongs to -1 0, open bracket, so it's not 0. So x belongs to, it is greater than -1 and less than 0. That I can say. Less than 0 will be negative, right? This is negative. This is also negative. So it means that whenever we'll do the reciprocal of this, sign is negative both the sides. So it will be altered sign, -1 by 1, 1 by -1, and it will be 1 by x, 1 by 0 negative, right? A small value of negative. So 0 negative is there, and it will lead to negative infinity, obviously. So infinity minus infinity, 1 by x minus 1. I can say this. Or I can write as 1 by x is greater than negative infinity and less than -1. So this is one of the case. We have other cases also with us. Okay. So for x belongs to 0, 3, we get, so 0, 3, whenever we are saying it is x is greater than 0 and less than 3. So in this case both are positive, so I will say that 1 by 0, and it will be like this, at my understanding, and there will be slight changes here. Okay, so this will further lead to Slightly positive it is, so it is 0 plus, I can say. Okay, so small value, it is a big infinity I'll get. Okay, and 1 by x and 1 by 3, or I can say 1 by x is greater than and but less than infinity. Okay, so here 1 and 2 will be combined, right? 1 and 2 will be combined here, means these two will be combined for the final answer. Which two? This two. Therefore, let us say this is 1 and this is 2. Therefore, 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 open bracket union of 1 by 3 infinity. And it is a very good question as per my understanding. Okay. It's a very good question. Okay. So we will go to some other subject now. Okay. So we may go to any other subject, like we can go to trigonometry also. We can go to trigonometry also. We can start. There is no foundation. Coordinate also we can start. Coordinate start with basic coordinate system, so that can be started. Yeah, that can be also started, but let me see what will start after a break. We'll just take a break for some time. We're not sure how much time, but some time break will be there, and then we'll start the things. Okay, right.